I don't know if they're gonna let us film in there. Bye Los Angeles. We're headed from California and we're going to Las Vegas. We're on our way to Las Vegas. We had a nice little stay the past couple of days. We rushed and checked out whatever we could. Now we're headed to Las Vegas. We'll see you on the other side. We finally made it to our final destination. Made it to Vegas. Just filled up. Oh, just got the tank filled up. So we all filled up and ready to go. See you inside the place we're staying. We're staying at the Berkley for the next 3 nights, and then we'll be staying at Westgate. That's our home resort. See you in a bit. What's up, guys? I'm upstairs at the Berkley, Las Vegas, and we're about to go inside the room, give you a tour of our room. We're just gonna stay in here for the next 3 days. So we're staying over here at room 1009, A unit. And when you come in, you have your kitchen, refrigerator, dishwasher, countertop. Always got to be in the camera shot. There's the dining area. Here's the breakfast nook.
Come inside the
What you say?
bedroom.
Come inside the bedroom? Okay. Let me give them a tour of the living area. You have a pull-out sofa here.
Everyone is eating pizza like they're in.
Entertainment center, TV.
Whoa, you're calling.
Yeah. This is the view from outside. We're on the 10th floor. Yeah. And there's the bedroom.
Abba, can I see it?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Okay. Ready?
What is in there? What is in there?
And then in here we have vanity.
What is in here?
Open it up. You'll see what's in there.
It's the next door.
Yeah, you have your tub.
This is
And then you have your stand-up shower, rainfall shower, toilet,
this is a
another
bathtub.
wash sink,
It's a bubble tub.
and then you basically circle back out, and then
Abba,
you're back in the
Abba,
kitchen area again.
Abba,
Right?
Abba,
So that's the tour of the unit, and we'll give you
Abba.
a tour of the city soon. All right? Deuces. You want to say something? Say bye.
I like.
Okay, we have to say bye.
I want to go in the.
Bye bye.
I want to go the.
Bye bye.
I want to go the. I want to go
Okay,
the.
bye. We'll see you guys
I want to go the bathtub.
Okay. Bye. So we're all headed to the Silverton Casino and Lodge. We're staying at the Silverton, at the Berkley, which is part of
Wow, look
Silverton.
at that.
This is it right here.
Look at that.
So we're staying in there, and right across is the casino and lodge. We're gonna go check out the mermaids right now. Supposedly there's some mermaids and some stingray feeding session gonna happen. So we're gonna go check that out. Oh, you like it? You like those? You have your Minnie Mouse hat on? Mountain. Alright, we'll see you guys inside. I don't know if they're gonna let us film in there.